gives birth. It is very old story. Go. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. There is some water in the grass, but the bird cannot drink the water. The bird has a short beak. It is very hot and very tired. It cannot drink the water. What is the bird doing? It is beside the stone. It is picking up one of the stones. What is the bird doing? It is carrying it to the grass. It is taking it to the grass. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. There is some water in the grass, but the bird cannot drink it. What is bird doing? It is beside the stone. It is picking up one of the stones. It is carrying it to the grass. The bird is sitting on the side of the grass. Another stone in the grass. There are two stones in the grass. The water is going up. The bird is walking earth. It is picking up another stone. It is carrying it to the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? What is water doing? The bird is walking earth. It is tired and hot. It is picking up another stone. It is carrying it to the grass. How many stones are there in the grass now? Look at the water. It is going up. How many stones are there in the grass now? What is water doing? How many stones are there in the grass now? There are 6 stones in the grass. Look at the water. It is going up. The water is at the top of the grass. The bird is not tired. It is not hot. Bye bye. See you next time.